I'm Frank Rock. I live in Gainesville, Georgia. It's a really nice day here. The sun is out, producing electricity for us. We had a house built in Florida in 1983, and I looked into having solar installed on the house then. It was too expensive, more than we could afford at the time. One of the things we did do then was have a solar hot water heater installed, and that was wonderful. We never ran out of hot water. I continued to look at solar from time to time. At a presentation, the owner of Better Tomorrow Solar provided information for a bunch of people about their systems and the expense for the system. The expense sounded reasonable to me, and so I talked about it with my wife, and we contacted Better Tomorrow Solar and asked them to give us a proposal. And they did, and fit our budget, and so we arranged to have the system installed this past February. The installation process was really smooth. People from Better Tomorrow Solar were terrific. They were cordial, they were professional. We appreciated the work they did. We were happy with the installation time. Probably 5 days a week, I go out and watch the electric meter run backwards. That's just a wonderful perk. I also write down the numbers from the meter because I'm interested in keeping track on my own of what portion of our electricity system is producing. And it generally runs about 55 or 60%. Unfortunately, the electric company only pays us for up to half of the electricity we use. And so one of the things we're looking forward to before too long is having a battery storage system installed as well. Our electric bills have been less than half most of the time as compared to previously. Just a solid example, a quantitative example, our electric bill for the month of August, which is a particularly warm month, was just $75. And that's really, really impressive to us. We're very, very happy with that. I did some research. A system similar to the Better Tomorrow solar system that we had installed is reported to have a return on investment of 12.5%, which also makes us very happy. The big thing for me in the end is that over the course of the 5 months that we have had the system up and running, we have saved the equivalent carbon of 61 trees, and that makes us very, very happy. Keeping that carbon from going into our environment, into the atmosphere, is a very important thing to us. Better Tomorrow Solar has a commitment not only to provide good systems for people who are interested in having a system installed, but also with the environment, stressing the fact that the name of the company is Better Tomorrow Solar, with a goal of doing something proactive about the climate crisis problem, carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.